Join us for a horse farm fun day at Herrold Stables. There's hands-on riding horses and ponies. Play with chickens and ducks. Hold a cuddly rabbit. And meet our adorable barn kitties. You'll also get to groom one of our cute little mini horses. Our stable is filled with well cared for and loved horses. We hold events throughout the year in our beautiful indoor arena, so we aren't weather dependent for our events. Don't have a helmet? We've got you covered, as safety is always a priority at our barn. And hey, our events change with the seasons, so you can come again and again. We'd love to have you. Gallop over to our website for upcoming dates and times and more details. You can sign up right at our website at herroldstables.com. We can't wait to see you at our family-owned farm.